Hello. Welcome back to Isi News Buffet. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe and you click on that notification bell. Well, here's what's coming up next on Uzalo. Nkunzi is still making moves even from prison. He finds a way to buy himself some time, but looks like he's pulling strings again. He's not ready to lose control and he's doing whatever it takes to stay in the game. And he gets Sbu and Fikile sit down and talk. They open to each other. They share how they really feel. It is a deep and honest moment, something that could change their relationship. Well, no Lilly zamkhalela bafethu. She's ready to go back to work. Ufuna impilo yakhe ke nje ibuye libe normal again, but ke her past is still following her laphana ke uLilly. Even when she tries to move forward, ibuyela nje past yakhe. Her struggles are not yet over. She's still dealing with a lot inside and it keeps affecting her. She wants peace, but kunzima ke ukuyithola ke lo peace, and this could slow her down again. So in this episode, a lot is happening and Nkunzi is fighting to stay in control. Sbu and Fikile are growing closer and Lilly is trying to heal, but not everything is going smoothly and more problems could be coming. If you enjoy daily Uzalo updates like this, make sure you subscribe and you tell me what you think about Lilly's situation in the comments below. Danko!